So this is a week 2 paperwork that the children need to do on the second day. So you got questioned, I have skipped the pages on working on the numbers 15, 16, 17, 18 because it will be the same as number 11 to 14. I'm going to skip straight to page 17 and show you what to do. So you see 10 at 5, you need to draw a bit of 10, And then 5, you need to draw the 5 on the unit. So 10 and 5 makes 15. And then if you got question like 20 at 6, so children need to be familiar that this is a unit rod and this is a tens rod. So if there is a if it says 20, then you need to draw 2 bits of 10 at the bottom, not at the top. Top is a 50. And then at 6 is a unit, so draw them on the unit rod, which is 5 and 1. So 26 is made of 20 and 6, then write down 26 there. And do the same for all the other pages. Now on this part, they need to do this. Try to encourage them to do this part mentally. Anything that's circular from on this worksheet, ask them to do them mentally. So 20 at 8, try to get them to think, how do you make 20 and 8? They should say 28 because that is a 20, 2 tens, and 8 units. If they can't, they can use the abacus. And we move on to the next page, which is the same again, but bigger number. Okay, 70, make sure they know that 50. At 20 more, make 70. And at 6. This is all about exercise. These exercises are to encourage them to think of number, to partition the number. Okay, to partition, then to combine. So 70 and 6 make 76. Right. So then the next bit on page 19, you got this number, for example, 14. Okay, then I ask you what to do. What they need to do is first, that is a 110, 14. Now the other way around. You need them to think of 14. How do you make 14? 14 is made of 110 and 4 units. And you want them to say, oh, that is a 10. And those are 4 units. So 10 at 4 is 14. Okay. As for the 20, 20 obviously is made of 2 tens and 0 units. So you just need to draw 2 tens. Then no units. That's 20. Now then we go to page 20 will be the same, but larger numbers, okay? And we're going to go to page 21. Now this is taking away. So for example, 35. Now you ask them to start thinking of numbers that are made of tens and unit. 35. How do you draw 35? It's made of 30 and 5. So you need to draw 30 and 5 first. And take away means cross it out, okay? Cross out the 5. So whatever not cross out is the answer, which is this bit 10, 20, 30. Okay? So another question, let me give you an example. 48 take away 6. So 48 is made of 40 and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 6. How do you take away 6? 5 and 1 more 6. So what's left is 40, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 at 2. 1, 2 is 42. So get them to complete that page. And if there is more time, get them to complete page 6. Earlier page 6, the bottom table. Okay, this will get them to combine the tens and units.